7 months ago, Times now traced the mining kingpin Anil Bastawade to Indonesia, threatening exposing another key link in the 4,000 crore mining scam. Sanjay Chaudhary and his brother Dhananjay, who according to the investigative authorities helped route Koda's ill-gotten money to the UAE. But despite that, there has been no action from the CBI, raising very serious questions on who exactly is protecting Madhu Koda's man.
7 months ago, a key untraceable link in the 4,000 crore Madhu Koda scam exposed by Times Now, forcing his deportation to India now.
2 days after the main kingpin in the multi-thousand crore mining scam, Anil Adinath Bastawade, kept foot in India, the Enforcement Directorate has taken the man in on a 10-day custody. But the question still remains that whether Anil Adinath Bastawade would spill the beans in one of the biggest political scams in the history of India.
7 months ago, Times Now went on to piece another dot in the mining jigsaw puzzle. Accessing the detailed IT assessment, unravelling the empire of Madhu Koda. Exposing all, including his man Friday, Sanjay Chaudhary.
After Times Now's expose 7 months ago, the CBI was forced to issue a statement saying that they are close to extraditing Sanjay Chaudhary, who had fled to the UAE. But despite a red corner notice being issued against Sanjay Chaudhary, the CBI is still struggling to get the key accused back to India, raising questions on whether there is a concerted effort to go slow in the case.
Times Now tracking Bastawade to Indonesia and getting him to confess his links with Sanjay Chaudhary.
Who are these people who approached you in UAE? Mr. Sachin Chaudhary and others. Okay.
Interestingly, Sanjay Chaudhary left for Dubai in the year 2005 when Koda was Chief Minister. He was arrested in UAE in 2011 after Interpol red corner notice. But CBI failed to extradite him. The man accused may deny the link.
सर आप अनिल बस्तावड़े को जानते हैं सर? सर वो उसको इंडोनेशिया में टाइम्स नाउ ने ट्रैक किया है और उसने ये कहा था कि संजय चौधरी के थ्रू आप एक यूएई में स्टील फैक्ट्री बनाने की सोच रहे थे।
नहीं, बिल्कुल गलत बात है।
But the delay in tracking the man who holds the key to the illegal wealth raises several questions. Who exactly is protecting Koda's man Friday? Bureau Report, Times Now.